Yo, Lion, you give you a saying yesterday again, you know, man. Give me another one today.
Boy, you just keep coming back. Alright. Just I come from a little walk in a while. I remember the sayings of old. The saying of the ancient them. The elders them say, walk for nothing, better than sit down for nothing. To walk for nothing is better than sitting for nothing. It simple mean, sometimes we find ourselves at a place in life. If we no move, there's no movements gonna occur. Your action is gonna trigger a reaction. The journey of 1,000 miles begin with a first step. So if you're there, so now move, nothing gonna happen. The moment you start moving, things start falling in place. The pieces of the puzzle start come together. Life give you the opportunity to live, but if you no move, me not think life I gonna give you nothing else. So walk for nothing, better than sit down for nothing. Start moving, things